Hello guys. This is just me checking in. I don't have enough time to do like a whole entire video, but I just wanted to let you guys know how my days of school has been. This is my second day of school, so this is my second night. I have to. Why would you do that? Something. Okay, anyways. Wow, my husband is over here acting crazy. Okay, so yes, this is my second night of school. I am super tired. I really have to get used to this schedule. The schedule I have right now is I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm getting the kids dressed and clothes ironed and bodies washed and teeth brushed and faces wiped off and all that good stuff. They're at the daycare by 7:30, and then I am out the door by 8 o'clock. On my way to school. So today is day 3 actually. I think it was day 2. Yes, today is day 3. I love my instructor. She's really cool. I love everybody in the class is very, very cool. Everybody's warm and loving, so I like that. And I'm really liking it. So I will say that we have a lot of homework. We got all the stuff in our kit. It's very overwhelming to carry. I took some stuff out today and left it at school. Like I left my nail kit at school and my barber kit at school because that's probably something that I won't use for right now. But all the other stuff like brushes and combs and hair clips and blow dryers, flat irons, and all that stuff, I have that with me, just in the bag still. But yeah, other than that, that's how the past couple of days of school has been. So it's been very overwhelming, soaking in a lot of information as well as a lot of homework. So what I'm about to do right now, it is actually 10:56 right now. I just left Global Harvest Bible Training Center. So it was over at 9, but I'm still up at 10:57. So I'm about to get some homework done for school, and I will see you guys soon. This is just a video of just telling you guys how my week has been going so far.